Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Are you tired of pausing, hesitating, or struggling to find the right words? In this video, I'll share practical steps and exercises that will help you improve your English speaking fluency faster than you ever imagined. Whether you're preparing for IELTS, traveling, or just want to speak confidently, this lesson is for you. So stay till the end. Before we start, let's understand why many learners struggle with fluency. 1. Pausing too much or using filler words like or ah. 2. Overthinking grammar while speaking instead of communicating. 3. Limited vocabulary, not knowing how to express ideas naturally. 4. Pronunciation errors. People understand you, but your speech sounds unnatural. The good news? All these problems can be solved with the right practice. I go to market yesterday. I went to the market yesterday. Here are the most effective strategies to improve your English speaking. 1. Shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say. Copy their pronunciation, tone, and pace. Example. Watch a short dialogue on YouTube or English news, pause and repeat. 2. Speak daily. Set 15 to 30 minutes daily to speak English. Talk about your day, your plans, or describe what you see. Example. Today I went to the market. I bought apples, bananas, and milk. 3. Use vocabulary actively. Don't just memorize words, use them in sentences. Example, learn confident. Now, in a sentence. I feel confident speaking English after practicing daily. Number 4, record yourself. Record your speaking practice and listen carefully. This helps identify mistakes and track progress. Number 5, think in English, not your language. Stop translating in your head. Try to form sentences directly in English. Now, let's practice a short, real-life conversation together. Repeat after me. Meeting someone new. A. Hi, how are you today? B. I'm good, thank you. How about you? A. I'm doing well. Are you from this city? B. Yes, I am. And you? Ordering food. A. Hi, I would like a cheeseburger and a Coke, please. B. Sure. Anything else? A. No, that's all. Thank you. Practice these daily conversations to build confidence and fluency.
Quick tips for fluency. Here are some extra tips to speak more fluently. Think in English. Don't fear mistakes. Making errors is normal. Learn and use common phrases and expressions. Listen to English podcasts, songs, or news to improve rhythm and pronunciation. So, to improve your English speaking fluency, practice daily. Use new words actively. Record and correct yourself. Learn by shadowing native speakers. Practice real-life conversations. Fluency comes with consistent effort. If you follow these steps every day, you'll notice improvement in just a few weeks. Don't forget to subscribe to EnglishNexis, like this video, and hit the bell icon to get more English speaking tips every week. Here's a small challenge for you. Record a 1-minute introduction about yourself in English and post it in the comments. I'll read and give you tips to improve. Remember, speaking regularly is the key to fluency. See you in the next lesson.